Hey, hello there. Well, we've experienced a pandemic. We've experienced a period of total lockdown and shutdown. But the season is changing. This is the time for you and I to experience a new season of release, of restoration, and of raising up of our destinies. Well, I'm inviting you to join me and others at this year's ALCC Breakthrough Convention, Wednesday, October 7th to Sunday, October 11th. Listen to me, everything God does on this earth is channeled through human vessel. And God has carefully put together a team of uniquely wise, gifted, anointed voices in this season to minister to your life, to speak to your life. These are men of God who have distinguished themselves in various fields of life. Get ready for a change of season. Get ready for impact without limit. Get ready for your destiny to be breathed upon. Listen to me. Those of you who cannot be here physically in New York, where the good news is, the limit has been broken. The barrier has been broken. At the comfort of your house, globally, anywhere in the world, you can be part of this great life-changing convention. So through our Facebook, through our YouTube, amen, and forward this invitation to your friends, to your families, all over the world. It is happening here. My God, it is happening here. God is on the move. Remember, there are days and there are certain days. I can tell you with certainty, these are your certain days. Don't miss it. Don't miss your time. Heaven is ready. I'm sure you are ready. Amen. Be prayerful. Be expectant. It's going to go down October 7th to 11th. October 7th is on a Wednesday, 7 p.m., Thursday, 7 p.m., Friday, 7 p.m., and Saturday, we're going to have two sessions, 8 a.m. and then 7 p.m. Now, Sunday is going to be both on site here at Winner's House and online. Well, those who are going to be joining me, my friend Apostle Holford from Barbados, Bishop Tudor Bismark from Zimbabwe, Dr. Winston from Chicago, Dr. Mensa Otabi from Ghana, Pastor Matthew Ashimolowo, and myself. Listen to me, you cannot afford to miss this. I look forward to ministering to you, fellowshipping with you online and also. May God bless you. Share the news. It is happening here at Winner's House and in your house. Be blessed.
Start your journey to a life of impact without limits at the ALCC Virtual Worldwide Breakthrough Convention 2020, October 7th through 11th. Your journey to a life of great possibilities begins here.